drive me if I sit on there, will you?
Yeah. Go on, sit on it.
Turn it around then.
Come on.
I'll back here. You're going to push me.
Okay. Listen. This one here.
Got a little baby on there. Okay, hang on. Ready?
Go.
Go. Come on. Yeah, watch where you're going. Oh, bit of a crook driver. Oh,
The question to dead.
No.
poor Dad.
Cherie. Oh.
Now, we have to do all these boxes all the way home.
Mm.
I have got all the way home, okay?
Are you the driver?
No, I'm not. I'm on the pusher.
You're the pusher. Oh, you wear me out.
Come on here, Mum.
Okay, Granny.
How about you? That's too fat.
Hang on. Rewind. Rewind.
Alright, I'll get on the scooter because I'm not too fat. What'd she say? Look out, Granny! Out the way, Granny! Whoa!
Do it, guys. Come on, Mum. First you do me. Right? Over this way.
Okay, over this way. Ready? Off we go!
Come on.
Oh, I think it's a bit rough. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Which way? Straight ahead or to the left?
To the left.
To the left, okay.
How about to your right? How about to your right?
We can't go right, we crash into the drawers.
Turn this way. Right.
Yes.
Turn right, Mum. Turn right.
Okay, you ready?
Round.
Oh.
Come on. You push me on the bed, and I get on you.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Your turn. Are you ready? Go! Row, what? Hey, which way you going? Ow! Ow!
It's your turn now.
No, my bottom's sore.
Dad, you hop on this bed. You hop on this bed.
No, I'm too fat.
No. You use down now. You use down here. So we can get on here now.
No, I'm too fat.
Come on, I think it's time we read a story anyway.
No.
Maybe we should read Grandma Poss.
Okay. How are we going to find it?
Will we go and have a look for Grandma Poss?
No. Come on.
All right.
Let's go on the scooter. Go on the scooter, Mum.
No, you hop on the scooter and I'll take you to find Grandma Poss.
Come on.
Okay.
You're putting on it.
I'll push you, come on. No, I think I might be here. Let's have a look. Grandma Poss. Grandma Poss. Is it there? No, that's not Grandma Poss. Here it is.
Let's go.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Come on, come in here.
Mum, push me. Mum, push
No.
me. Will you push me?
All right, come on. Please. Ready, go.
It's hot, Mum.
Oh, you found the Tin Man's heart. You're a good girl. You look happy for the Tin Man. Will you give Granny a kiss goodnight?
It is a heart for you.
I've got one, thank you, but I want another one. Kiss me. See you in the morning.
Say thank you for your heart.
Thank you for the lovely heart. So beautiful, aren't you? What are you going to do?
This was my mum with Grandma Puss.
Don't you think we ought to go to bed?
No,
We'll read it in bed. Do you want to read it in bed?
no. You read it in here. Mum, Uncle
What are you trying to do, John? You give me the proverbial. What does it say?
I don't know.
Does it say to dear Cherie, with lots of love and best wishes from who?
I don't know.
You do so. It's Uncle Ken and Bear.
No, it's not Uncle
Well, who is it? Should we turn the TV off? You're not watching the...
Six. Kite and Chair and Kaya.
It's not Barry, Shirley and Kyla. It's Uncle Ken and Bear.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Kite and Chair and Kaya and Kaya. Hey, Tom. What's wrong?
Hey, is that a fire engine?
It's not. And we're Grandma Puss, no?
Oh, you ready to read Grandma Post now?
Come on, no?
You ready?
Yeah,
Once upon a time, but not very long ago, deep in the Australian bush lived two possums. Their names were Hush and Grandma Poss. Grandma Poss made bush magic. She made wombats blue. Best magic of all was the magic that made Hush invisible. See, let's see here. What adventures Hush had. Because she couldn't be seen, she could be squashed by koalas, and there's a koala sitting on her tail. Because she couldn't be seen, she could slide down the kangaroos. Because she couldn't be seen, she was safe from snakes, which is why Grandma Poss had invisible again. Of course I can, said Grandma Poss, and she began to look through her magic books
Why?
to see what the potion was to make the possum visible. She looked into this book and she looked into that. There was magic for thin and magic for fat, magic for tall and magic for small, but the magic she was looking for wasn't there at all. Oh dear, there she was looking for all the magic. Grandma Poss looked miserable. Don't worry, Grandma said, Hush, I don't mind. Putting her half apart she did.
Why?
Because she wanted to be visible. She wanted to know what she looked like. All night long, Grandma Poss thought and thought. And the next morning, just before breakfast, she shouted, it's something to do with food. People food, not possum food. But I can't remember what. We'll just have to try and find it. So later that day,
Why on the price of books in there?
yeah, they're the books with the magic recipes. They left the bush where they'd always been to find what it was that would make Hush sing. They ate Anzac with biscuits in Adelaide, Mornay's and Minties in Melbourne, steak and salad in Sydney, and pumpkin scones in Brisbane. And Hush remained invisible. Don't lose heart, said Grandma Poss. Let's see what we can find in Darwin. It was there in the far north of Australia that they found the Vegemite sandwich. Grandma Poss crossed her claws and crossed her feet, and Hush breathed deeply and began to eat. A tail! A tail! Shouted both the possums at once, and for there it was, a brand new visible tail. And Grandma Poss was so excited. Later on, in a beach in Perth, they ate a piece of pavlova, and Hush's legs appeared. So did
Is she sitting in the chair, Mum?
not that one. She's still up there eating a pavlova, and then she sits in the chair. You look wonderful, you precious possum, said Grandma Poss. Next stop, Tasmania. Over the sea they went. In Hobart, late one night in the kitchens of the casino, they saw a Leamington on a plate. Hush closed her eyes and nibbled. Grandma Poss held her breath and waited. It's worked, she cried. Evening.
And that's morning.
Morning. Here we go round the Leamington Plate, the Leamington Plate, the Leamington Plate. Here we go round the Leamington Plate on a cold and frosty evening.
Here we go the movie book.
Oh, last one.
Here we go the movie book, movie book, movie book. Here we go the movie book with the cold and frosty morning.
Okay. Here we go and clean our teeth, clean our teeth, clean our teeth. Come on.
Now, let's have a bath.
Here we go and clean our teeth on a lovely Wednesday evening.
Oh dear, Granny's gone to bed.
How's the Tin Man's hat, Mum?
Oh, you found the Tin Man